Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an awesome day so far. I have a little makeup transformation to share with you guys, so if you're interested in seeing how I got that look, then just keep watching. This won't be too technical since it really was just a transformation, but I'm starting out with moisturizer. That is super important. I was slightly sunburned at this time, and then I put a little bit of spritz on my face just to help me cool down a little bit. It feels so good. I can't even describe it. Anyway, I am concealing my eyes. That is my primer, and then just set it with a translucent powder. I'm using the Morphe 35G palette for this look. It's really nice and appropriate for summer. I'm starting off by putting a nice neutral to warm brown in my crease, nothing too dark and heavy, and then we're going in with something a little bit more red and earthy brown toned, if that makes sense. So we want a nice warm red brown in our eye. And then I am packing on a copper shade right on top of my lid and bring it all the way up into the crease and go back in with your warm brown shade and just kind of blend things all together one more time. It is more than okay to get that glitter, not yet, to get that copper shade into your crease. So now I went ahead and used a glitter primer, and now I am sticking just a little bit of glitter onto my lid. I'm not making it too heavy of a glitter look. I just wanted a little bit of extra shine. So once that's done, I'm taking a darker brown and I am going to kind of line, smudge, buff out my lash line just to give us a little bit of dimension. Onto my face, I'm using a Milani Hydrating Primer. I was going to say concealer. And then I am using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Having trouble here today, guys. It's one of my favorites. I always come back to Maybelline Fit Me. I couldn't tell you why. And then for concealer, I do a combination of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and the Milani Perfecting and Concealing, something like that, primer. And then to set the areas that I concealed, and as well as a couple other places of my face, I'm trying out this Maybelline powder, which is different for me because I usually do a translucent, if anything. So I will also report back on that. Onto my lower lash line, the first shade I used was that second brown, the warm brown, and then on my really tight, close to my lash line area, sorry, I'm not good with words today, I put on the same brown that I used on my upper lash line and then went in with a bronzy golden eyeliner. And then for mascara, I used the Sigma Sinuosity mascara and popped on some lashes. For bronzer today, I'm using the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Icon. It's really pretty, and I'm not contouring my nose. I'm just kind of making it feel like it's part of the party. For blush today, I'm using this gorgeous blush from Milani. I kind of went in a little heavy, I'm not going to lie. And then for my highlight, I of course needed something golden, so I'm using this Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline. For lips today, we have a really cute bold red look. This would also look good with a pink lip. It would look good with a nude lip, a brown lip, any kind of lip you want. I'm just using a red lip liner. This is in a set that I got from Hard Candy. So I'm filling in my entire lips. And then once I get those all filled into my liking, I'm going in with the actual, it's kind of like a, oh God, what's the formula? It's matte, but it's not so matte that it feels like your lips are going to crack. So whatever that is. But anyway, that is all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.